got eyes on him.
Up out of there.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
Oh shit. You done fucked up, man. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and motherfucking condoms. Have one on us, alright? Picture perfect, I paint a perfect picture. Bomber hooches with precision. My intentions to get with you with that and double OP. Dog, my fucking homie, use a cold ass nigga on them all.
Shown up, I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. Free Tupac is all that's on the nigga's mind, but at the same time, it seems they tryna take mine. So I'ma get smart and get defensive and shit, and put together a million march for some gangster shit.
So now they got a slate, two multi-millionaire motherfuckers catch a case. Bitches get ready for the throwdown, the shit's about to go down. Me and Snoop about to clash. I'm losing my religion, I'm vicious on these stool pigeons. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Niggas be acting like you savage, they out to get the cabbage. I got nothing but love for my niggas living lavish.
I got a pit named P, she niggerina. I got a house out in the hills, right next to Chino. And I think I got a black Beamer, but my dream is to own a fly casino like Bugsy Siegel and do it all illegal and get scooped up by the little homie in the Riga. It feel good to you, baby bubba. You see, this is for the G's and the keys, motherfucker.
Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rest. Two of the best from the west side, and I can make it famous. Niggas been down for years, so how can they blame us? I live in fear of a felony, I never stop belly needs. Motherfucking G's. If you got it, better flaunt it. Another woman, two of America's most wanted. Now give me 50 feet. Defeat is not my destiny. Release me to the streets and keep whatever's left of me. Jealousy is misery, suffering is greed. Better be prepared when you cabbage fuck with me. I bust a fleet. These niggas must be crazy. What? There ain't no mercy, motherfuckers who can fade the thug. You thought it was when it wasn't. Now disappear. Bow down in the presence of a boss player.
Like cub, blood, gang banging. Everybody in the party doing dope slanging. You got to have papers in this world. You might get your first snatch before your eyes swirl. You're doing your job every day, and then you work so hard till your hair turn gray. Let me tell you about life and about the way it is. You see, we live by the gun, so we die by the
Tell me not to roll with my Glock, so now I gotta throw away. Floating in the black bin, trying to do a show a day. They wonder how I live with 5 shots. Niggas is hard to kill on my block. Schemes for currency and no related. Affiliated with the hustlers, so we make it. So answer the question, I'm trying to get it on. My nigga dog with me, eternally the most wrong.
I like that.